Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Logan, here with Wyatt, Jackson, Logan. Look at the camera.
Hello.
Weirdo.
Oh! I hit!
Cracked screen, cracked computer, keys everywhere.
Stop!
No, we're destroying a freaking computer, dude. Oh, hey guys, got a new haircut.
My dad did that.
Dyed my hair blue too.
Let me see.
Shocked me.
Dude, it's gone.
And there's the
But
back.
there's a little bit left, right, Jackson?
Yeah.
And guys, there's the back of it.
See, there's a little blue.
Yeah.
See, guys, look, there's a little blue left in my hair.
And there's some black. The back of it.
Don't touch! Oh my God!
Did it really do anything?
Yes! Dude, that's like weird. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60!
Touch it.
Daddy, you're in the video.
Hey.
He's the one who
What's up,
cracked the
dude?
screen. Daddy, you're the one who started this YouTube channel.
I cut the
Wire.
Why you
did
did-
this? Whoops.
Big Logan says touch
That
the
says don't
finger.
touch. I touched it. It was like, boom.
Why would someone do that? If it says
Wait. Okay, it doesn't work anymore. It don't work no more. Oh, guys, we have to get that manual pad off. The thing.
I will.
Peel off the plastic. No, here. I will.
Hey,
Wyatt, videotape.
Kevin.
No, I will. I'm
Kevin,
gonna.
you want to see the back of this? Front of this thing?
No,
Flip
dude,
it over, flip
videotape
it.
me and Wyatt. Dude, Logan, don't. Videotape me and Wyatt. Don't just look at the ground. Don't press nothing.
Well,
Wait, let me see if you press anything. No, you didn't press anything. Just keep videotaping this, okay?
so
What is that?
I want to destroy it too.
You have been, Logan.
I haven't.
Well, you guys need to, like... Oh, God. I'm going to cut this black wire. Oh, yeah. The front of the computer.
Oh my God!
It's split in half. Oh, my word. Why? Hey, pay attention to videotaping, Jax.
I'm gonna destroy that.
Hey, Logan.
No, you're not.
Why?
Cause
You can destroy that.
it's gonna cut you.
If it does.
Hey, Jax. Pay attention. No, just let me do it.
You
Just
didn't
let
do
me do it.
that.
Hey,
Yeah,
just
dude.
let me
Hey,
do it.
let Wyatt videotape.
Hey, guys, so.
I just got shocked again. This is a live computer.
Touch this.
Oh, he split it in half.
Like a show. Hey, guys, so this is the back of the top of the computer.
Two parts.
Oh, guys. Uh-oh.
Let's take off the manual pad.
Something's gonna go wrong here, and I hope it's...
Cutting that gold. Do you smell that?
Yeah. Anyways.
That's weird.
There you go, guys.
Oh! I have the manual thingy.
Boom.
Look at videotape here. Look at this.
Oh, my God,
Look at
guys.
that.
So,
Dude, that is sick.
here is the, like... Whoa. Sorry, guys. Here is all the technology that goes into the computers.
I did more than that.
And I feel like we've done most of the stuff on this computer. But one thing we haven't done is, what do you think?
Look at that. Just
Split it in half.
Wait, where's the freaking screen?
Oh gosh. Oh.
And guys, shout out to
Logan.
No.
Jacksepticeye.
Skyly.
Um,
And other people. Markiplier.
Oh, did to them.
Me. Really?
Yes.
no
You don't get
dancing.
to say the shout outs.
Who else? Who else?
Joey doesn't make videos.
Yeah, he does.
He does.
Yes, he has a YouTube channel. Free swag.
Joy the cameraman. Only that's not his YouTube name. But
No, but his YouTube name is Free Swag. Go check it out and subscribe to him. Home! Home! Are you kidding? Home key. Look at that. Here, videotape that. Nope, Jackson. Really?
Oh my god, guys. A home key? Seriously?
Jackson, give me the crowbar. I found this.
Anyways, guys. They're destroying the computer. And we're gonna see. Oh my god, they have like 4 parts of it.
I
1,
know.
2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god, they have 5 parts.
Guys, I
Back
shattered
in here.
the screen.
Can I do
Oh, it's glass. That's glass. Back. And guys,
There's glass in my shoe.
great.
Kidding. Oh, that's shattered.
For sure.
Can I stop? I'm gonna go get your dad. Can I?
And guys,
Can I do
Home
it?
button.
To the
Can we do it?
to the back.
turn it onto the back.
No, stop.
It's just gonna shatter and you're
Yeah,
gonna.
it's gonna shatter. We're all gonna get cut because you.
It's huge.
Dude, it's my dad. Come here.
Guys, there it is. It's all dirty and
To
stuff.
the door. Now sew it.
You ready to see the front of this?
Glass.
Wow.
Nothing but pure glass.
Oh gosh. No, that's
Show them the
plastic.
front of it. Show them the front of it.
That's plastic.
Dad, I think we're gonna need to sweep.
Yeah.
For
I
sure.
want to destroy it. Let me destroy it. We're definitely gonna need sweet.
Here's the thing. I'm wondering what's under that metal.
Yeah.
We need to get that whole entire pad.
I know. You gotta peel that off, man. Peel that metal off of there. Don't hit it. Peel it.
Peel with the crowbar.
Logan,
Yeah.
stop.
Get your crowbar under there.
How? Right here?
We demoed the back.
Yeah, we demoed our backyard.
With the crowbar, we all
There
got
you go.
crowbars.
Just like that.
Now pull.
Give a lot of pressure.
Why I would watch.
Oh, yes.
There you go.
Boom, Betty.
Bare hands, guys.
Oh yeah.
Did you just see that?
Logan, don't destroy it.
I can't even
It's like,
do it.
ah!
You're not gonna destroy it.
I want to use something. Can we destroy
We're
now?
trying to peel off the pad.
And I'm gonna give this.
Yeah, it's fun to peel it back.
Oh
Peel back the
my
layers.
god.
That's fun.
Question mark.
Anyways, guys, I'm gonna hand the thing to Jackson.
No, me. No, you can keep it.
No, I don't want to.
I mean, I'll videotape. I'm the best at it anyways. Joey is
Jackson.
actually.
Hey guys, so
Guys, pay attention to that and don't destroy it, Logan.
Logan, stop doing that.
I'm gonna destroy it. Oh, you
Yeah,
can't-
I want to.
No. Why? Cause
Stop.
you don't get to do whatever you want.
Stop,
here.
Jack.
This is not your house.
Yeah, we definitely do not want to be. This is plastic.
Dude, that's glass.
No.
Yes, it is.
That is so plastic.
No. Oh.
Told you.
Now we don't need to worry about touching it.
Yeah, or stepping on it. But we do need to worry about that.
Yes.
Yeah, that's glass.
You want to see this?
Yeah.
Oh, give me the fucking cutter thingies.
Oh. Yeah, I already cut them.
There, why can you take the camera really
I
quick?
Please.
Thank you, Jax.
Now actually videotape, Jack. So you gotta be
Just
careful.
do it. I'm putting it at the.
Alright, I'm gonna cut these wires.
So, also, really shout out Jacksepticeye.
Yeah. And Markiplier.
If you watch Jacksepticeye.
PewDiePie.
If you don't, search up Jacksepticeye.
And subscribe to him.
Yes.
If you don't, you're a
Weirdo.
And ask your parents too.
Skyly, if you don't subscribe, that's fine. Because you're like the coolest girl in the world. Maybe, I don't know.
Your
What?
mom is actually.
By
Yeah.
the way, this is just messed.
Molly
This-
and Mom.
This is just messed up.
How? I don't get how this is messed up. Kids do this crap all the time.
Oh.
Did I seriously just do that in like 2 seconds?
Yes.
Like, I have hands of steel.
Oh my god, what's under here?
Oh!
Oh.
Bare hands.
I'll do it.
Dude, no.
Stop, Logan.
Oh, no, he got it. He got it. Go,
Oh,
go,
that
go.
was
Again.
That
Wyatt did that, so Wyatt just stick the crowbar under there and then just tear.
Hey, what? Can read the story now? You can.
Oh, it's cracked.
Jackson, but Jackson, we need the videotape.
Yeah.
No.
Who's gonna videotape you?
Ask your dad.
No. You wanna have a videotape? I only did that crap when I was like 3 years old on that one video. I look at you saying that was like a cool video or whatever.
It kind of wasn't.
It wasn't.
I know. Plus I look so ugly in that.
Yeah.
We all admitted it. Bare hand, bare. Woo! Whoa! Hi. Peel!
What?
Peel, God
Yes.
dang it. No. Dude, only my dad likes me touching this. Well,
Hey,
you
we
shouldn't.
No.
This is my dad.
Why? I want to know. Oh, I have to videotape the whole time.
Dude, it's not a big deal. It's for the viewers.
And
I
we'll
like
probably be viewing this, dude.
Oh, how many subscribers?
Like 7.
7 million?
No, 7.
7 subscribers?
Yes. And I'm the worst YouTuber. I don't get any subscribers. Besides my friends.
Yeah, except us.
No, I have way more friends than just you guys. But not that much.
Yes, like Joey, Trevor.
Where's my bestie? Dyed his hair blue. Looks awesome.
He's never gonna die back.
You can't dye your own hair back to its natural color. You can't just like wash out the dye, dude. It's not.
Oh!
You can like dye it brown now. Let me videotape. No one gets to use my pliers. Those are my dad's. Bye guys. Like, subscribe, join the skate club. See ya.